Hello everyone, welcome to another video of BrainScale. In today's video, we will see how to navigate and selection in Excel 2016. Okay, so in the basic of navigation, the Excel has given the two scroll bars. One is the horizontal scroll bar and second one is the vertical scroll bar. Here you can see that this scroll bar will scroll your sheet in right and left, and the vertical scroll bar will scroll your sheet in up and down way. Okay, using these clicks you can click over here, but you will be going only one row bottom side, similarly one row upside. Okay, so these were the two basic navigations given in your excels. Okay, this is a large data sheet. Okay, if you want to go downward, you can also press the page down button, and page up button. Okay, while you press the page down button, you will see what happens. Like this, we are on the 36th row of the excel. As I press the page down button, so my next row coming on the top is 37. Okay, yes, like this. If you are on the mid of some big data, huge data, and you want to return to the first row, okay, the A1 cell, so you will be pressing in the keyboard the control and a home button. Okay, control, you will be pressing control and home button, so you will be directed to the first row of the sheet. Okay, so this was the basics. Okay, and also you can navigate using your four arrow keys of the keyboard, like right, up, left and down. These are also the keys. Using these you can also navigate. Now let's move to the another sheet and let's check out about the selection process. If you want to select your whole table, what you gonna do, click over the first cell and hold your click and drag the mouse for the data you want to select. This is the first process. Second process is click on the first cell, hold your shift key of the keyboard and click on the last cell, so whole data is selected. Or the shortcut is that you can also click in the key on the keyboard, you can press Control A button, so your whole table, the data table will be selected. But the thing is that firstly you must be on the data set. Okay, and now you will press the Control A button, so whole data will be selected or whole table will be selected. And if you want to select a whole worksheets, okay, so you can press this triangle icon near A1, A column and first row, so it will select your whole sheet. Okay, so for selection process there are three types of uh, arrows given in the excel. First one is the big plus symbol. Okay, as you can see now. Okay, using this you can select your data of your choice. Another one is the arrow keys. Okay, as you move bottom part of the cell, highlighted or selected cell, hold down and move it. So what this gonna do, this will move your data or selected cell to another location. Okay, if you are telling, if I don't want to do this, I want to go back, so I can undo this or press the Control Z button. Okay, first one was the normal plus symbol, another was the arrow keys. Now as we move our cursor to this square symbol at the corner of the selected cell. So if I drag this, so what gonna happen, it will copy the selected data to the next data or the next selected cells. Okay, if I want to undo this, I can undo from here also, and can also press the Ctrl Z button. If I want to select the customer as well as the cells, how can I select the both or three columns? Okay, firstly click on the customer column, and now hold your Ctrl button from the keyboard and select the cells, or select the salesperson, or whatever the data you want to select. By pressing the holding the Control button, you can select as many as row or as much as data you want. Okay, you can also select the whole column, any column of your choice, and also while click and hold your first column and drag to the right, you can select the selected columns, whole columns, the sheets, as well as this works in the row. Okay, by selecting by clicking on this, I have selected only one row. By selecting clicking and hold down and up, okay, moving as I move up and down, so it will select my whole rows. So this was the basic of navigation and selection process in Excel 2016. Thank you.